guys, welcome back. Hey, a little field trip for you today, this week for Plant of the Week. I am in Idaho Falls, Idaho at a wonderful retail nursery outlet by the name of Eagle Rock Nursery. If you were ever in the area of Idaho Falls, come check out Eagle Rock. But the focus of this week is Plant of the Week. And behind me is a real performer. And you can take a look at it just right along my left shoulder. This is Holy Grail Perennial Hibiscus, a fantastic summer and early fall bloomer for a sunny area in your front or backyard. This is the kind of plant that stops traffic as people drive down your street, or surround your back patio with small 3 to 5 of these in a corner somewhere. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? These flowers are almost dinner plate size, and they're easy to care for, love feeding once a month, do well in containers, well in loamy or sandy loamy, even clay loamy soils, as long as they're amended, and they just do fantastic. Deciduous plant, of course, so it dies down to the ground every winter and then pops right back. Generally has between a 5 to 7 year lifetime. I have never divided this plant. It may be dividable, and some of you may want to comment on that. But check out the Holy Grail Perennial Hibiscus the next time you're at one of your mom and pop nursery or garden centers. These guys here, since these came into their fall bloom, they can't keep them in the store. They just said they ordered another 60 of them because they sold 60 last week. Hey, so for Plant of the Week, Holy Grail Perennial Hibiscus. Check it out the next time you're there. The plant usually averages about 3 to 4 feet, not too much more than that. It is put out by proven winners, so ask for it the next time you're at your favorite nursery and garden center. Hey, I'm Matt. You can call me Coach. Thanks for tuning in for Plant of the Week. Check out every Friday mid-afternoon when we release a good and informative value-packed landscape maintenance, construction, design videos, along with our Plant of the Week, Product of the Month, and Nursery of the Season. And I bet you can guess which nursery we're going to do for the fall. Hey, I'm Matt. Call me Coach. I'll see you next week. You take care. We're going to go back to being safe and putting on our masks, just like Idaho tells us to do. Thanks for being here. Take care.